Walk into a typical clinic waiting room, and you will likely find a bottleneck of confused patients crowding the front desk. But step into a facility running a digital queue system, and that friction disappears. Patients sit comfortably, know exactly when it is their turn, and smoothly walk directly to their consultation rooms. That level of organization is managed by KMS Token Pro, a comprehensive queue management system designed by Kitty's Micro Solutions, specifically for multi-department clinics and hospitals. In this walkthrough, we are going to track a complete patient lifecycle. We will start with self-registration at a kiosk, move through front desk payment processing, handle the doctor's consultation queue, and finally process an interdepartment transfer to a lab. Before we begin, you need to have your admin setup fully configured. That means your departments, staff accounts, custom consultation fees, and display screens must already be established in the system. By mastering this digital cycle, a medical facility shifts from constantly reacting to reception desk chaos into running a highly organized, data-driven operation. Let's start with how patients enter the system. Instead of standing in line to speak with a receptionist, walk-in patients can securely register themselves using kiosk mode. Looking at the kiosk interface, the required inputs are minimal. The patient taps their required medical department, then enters their full name and mobile number. Upon confirming those details, the kiosk instantly prints a token ticket. This ticket clearly displays their queue number alongside the specific consultation fee required for that department. The patient then brings this ticket to the reception counter. On the receptionist's front desk dashboard, that new walk-in token has instantly appeared in the Action Needed queue. This flowchart illustrates the exact operational sequence the receptionist must follow next. First, they receive the token. Then, they log the payment method, recording whether the fee was paid via UPI or cash, and applying any necessary GST inclusions. Only after logging the payment do they assign the patient to a specific doctor. Skipping that payment step and assigning a specialist first will permanently skew your hospital's revenue reports. The system requires this sequence to ensure precise daily accounting. Enforcing this exact order guarantees that every rupee collected at the desk matches your digital revenue tracking, eliminating the need for tedious manual cash audits at the end of the day. Now we move to the consultation room. When a physician logs into the doctor's interface, they see a live, chronologically sorted list of the waiting patients assigned to them. To summon the next patient on the list, the doctor simply clicks the Call Next button on their screen. When the doctor clicks Call Next, the waiting area TV instantly updates to display the token number, the doctor's name, and the specific room number. Simultaneously, the system triggers an automated audio announcement in 3 different languages to direct the patient. Once the patient walks into the room, the doctor clicks Mark as Serving. This immediately updates the live system status, letting the rest of the clinic know the consultation is underway. This synchronized digital call system keeps patients informed and completely frees clinic staff from having to manually track people down or shout names across a noisy room. Often, a visit does not end after the initial consultation. A doctor may need to send the patient for secondary services, such as a blood test at the pathology lab. Instead of clicking Complete to clear the queue, the doctor uses this drop-down menu, selecting Transfer, and chooses the specific target department. That single click automatically generates a new transfer token back at the front desk queue, entirely eliminating the need for handwritten referral slips. For the patient, the process is frictionless. They simply return to the main lounge, take a seat, and wait for the automated TV system to announce their new lab token. Managing multi-specialty care this way prevents patients from getting lost between departments and ensures high coordination care throughout the facility. All of these individual clicks and patient movements feed directly into the Admin Auto Reports dashboard, which serves as the central oversight hub for hospital management. This chart shows the daily financial reports module in action. Because the receptionist logged the payments securely at the front desk, this real-time graph automatically populates, tracking revenue exactly as each patient token is processed. The system also captures timing data from the doctor's queue. By recording exactly when a physician clicks Call Next and Complete, the dashboard generates automated performance metrics, plotting the average wait time and consultation duration for each specific doctor. Management can then export all of these detailed financial and performance analytics directly to a PDF or Excel file with a single click. KMS Token Pro translates every routine staff interaction into highly accurate business intelligence, requiring zero manual data entry or calculation from the clinic owner. We have tracked a complete digital workflow, implementing patient self-registration, enforcing secure front desk payment logging, utilizing automated TV calling from the doctor's desk, and even executing seamless interdepartment lab transfers. And this entire system operates strictly on role-based access, ensuring that admins, doctors, and receptionists only see the specific tools and patient data they need. To see how this system fits your facility, register for a free demo at kmstokenpro.com or contact Kitty's Micro Solutions directly via WhatsApp. Adopting an organized, automated queue system is the most direct step you can take to modernize your operations and improve your patient's experience.